Are you a beginner wondering how to warm up your voice properly? Do you feel lost when it comes to vocal warm-ups? Maybe you're unsure how long to practice, what exercises to do. Today I'm answering all your questions. And I'll give you a simple vocal routine that you can do right now. Hello singers, welcome back to my channel. My name is Marie-Laurence, singing teacher and vocal coach. Today we are talking about vocal warm-up. How long do you spend on vocal warm-ups before singing? Let me know in the comments. Many beginners skip vocal warm-ups. Think of your voice like an athlete. Your vocal cords also need a warm-up to perform their best. How long should you warm up? If you are a beginner, start with 10 to 15 minutes. Focus on easy and light exercises. If you feel tension, adjust your vocal routine. If you want more vocal tips to improve your voice, don't forget to subscribe to my channel right now. Let's do the exercises. Yay! Let's go step by step. I'm gonna show you some vocal exercises. Do what you can. We are going to start with lip trills. Yeah! Blow air through your lips like this. Relax your jaw. Try going from a low to a high pitch, like this. Or again. Great. Stick your tongue out and keep it relaxed, like this. Close your lips gently and start humming, like this. Take a breath. Feel the vibrations on your face, the nose, the lips. Keep the tongue out. Great. Many singers have a tight tongue, and this vocal exercise releases tension. Try this exercise before singing and notice the difference. Now close your lips and say Start soft and increase the volume without forcing. Now let's wake up the head voice. Take a breath and say hoo-hoo, woohoo. Very light. Woohoo, woo, woohoo. As if you have just heard a good news. Like woohoo, woohoo, yeah, yes, woohoo. Do you hear the hoo-hoo, hoo-hoo, hoo-hoo? Let's wake up chest voice. Put your hand here to feel the vibration. And let's say, hey, hey, and hey, just to wake up the residents. Hey, let's do it. Come on. Hey, oh, woo. Now let's yawn. Feel the throat opening up like this. Soft palate, lift. Open. gentle. The purpose of this exercise is to reduce vocal tension. Next exercise, the buzzing bee. An exercise to build vocal stamina. Zzz, 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 zzz. Keep the sound steady and controlled. Zzz. Keep the airflow consistent. If you haven't sung in a while, a vocal warm-up helps to re-engage your vocal muscles. What's your biggest challenge when it comes to warming up your voice? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.